Now, your WCDX Pinpoint Weather with Chief Meteorologist Jordan Dressman.
Once we got rid of the rain, it really wasn't a bad afternoon across the Tennessee Valley. Some across northwest Alabama managed to climb into the upper 70s. Some even saw the lower 80s. Now, as we approach the early part of the overnight, Pinpoint Viper is looking nice and quiet. Really a nice, quiet, calm evening across the Tennessee Valley, but this is the proverbial calm before the storm, which in this case is taking on a whole new literal meaning. We are talking about a threat for some significant severe weather across the Tennessee Valley as early as Wednesday morning and continuing through Thursday morning. Portions of North Alabama, southern Middle Tennessee are sitting under a moderate risk for severe weather, while other folks of North Alabama, southern Middle Tennessee are sitting under an enhanced risk for severe weather. Now, while some folks are under a different risk level than others, I don't want you to get too terribly caught up in the different risk levels. I just want you to understand no matter where you are in North Alabama, southern Middle Tennessee, there is a threat for significant severe weather in your neighborhood. All modes are going to be possible, including heavy rain, large hail, damaging winds, and of course tornadoes. Now we can categorize these threats a little more into a low, moderate, and high category. Heavy rain and large hail going to be our secondary categories. Heavy rain leading to localized flooding. Large hail could be as big as 2 inches in diameter. But our primary threats are going to be damaging winds, damaging straight line winds in excess of 60 or 70 miles per hour. And then we're also talking about the threat for some violent or even long-lived tornadoes. What is a long-lived tornado? Well, it's kind of in the name. A long-lived tornado is a tornado that spends a significant period of time on the ground. It covers a lot of distance, whether that be in a short or long period of time. Not all of this is going to happen at once. As a matter of fact, we're talking about 3 different rounds of potential severe weather. The first moves through during the morning hours when an initial warm front lifts north through the Tennessee Valley. Scattered strong storms are going to be possible with a slightly smaller severe threat. Isolated tornadoes and some damaging winds in excess of 60 or 70 miles per hour. Round 2 comes through in the afternoon in an incredibly unstable environment. This is going to come in the form of discrete cells. Still, all modes of severe weather are going to be possible. What's a little complicated about the discrete cells is it's kind of hard to tell where they're actually going to develop because they're not part of any sort of a main line. Where we are going to get that main line is with round 3 in the evening and through the overnight, associated with a main cold front that moves through the Tennessee Valley late Wednesday night and then early into Thursday morning. This currently does bring the chance for the most intense severe weather. This is where we stand that best chance at seeing those long-lived and violent tornadoes. So we're going to take round 3 and talk about it a little more. I've attempted to put some times on a map for you to kind of show you what you can expect. 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. across northwest Alabama, 7 p.m. to 2 a.m. across the I-65 corridor, 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. across northeast Alabama. So here's Futurecast on Wednesday morning. Warm front lifting north of the Tennessee Valley. Showers and thunderstorms associated with that warm front, and associated with these showers and thunderstorms could be some embedded severe weather. Again, isolated tornadoes and damaging winds are going to be possible. But this activity does eventually come to an end. By 10, 11, 12 o'clock, here at 1 o'clock, many of us are dry across the Tennessee Valley. And I really want to emphasize the fact that there are going to be some periods where we are dry and we even get to enjoy a little bit of sunshine tomorrow afternoon. By the time we get to the middle part of the afternoon, 3, 4 o'clock, we begin to see those discrete cells develop in that highly favorable environment conducive for the development of severe weather. Then we get to 8, 9, 9:30. Now we're talking about widespread thunderstorm activity as this cold front begins to draw closer to the Tennessee Valley. It moves through Wednesday night and then early into Thursday morning. And again, associated with this cold front, we could have those embedded violent tornadoes, those damaging winds, those damaging straight line winds in excess of 60 or 70 miles per hour. And then all of this does come to an end and our sky does look like it's going to clear out by the time we get to the morning commute on Thursday. Heavy rain, like I said, many of us looking at 1.5, 2, potentially 2.5 1.5 inches of rain. With all of that in mind, please make sure you have multiple ways to get your weather alerts. This QR code, if you'll scan it just real quick, it gives you a link to download the WZDX app where we send many of our push alerts. Of course, your NOAA weather radio is always a fantastic tool. You can catch us on television. Of course, we'll break in if necessary. And then you can always follow us on social media, whether that be WZDX News or my Facebook, Chief Meteorologist Jordan Dressman. The QR code's going to go away, but I've also put it in the 7-day forecast in case you missed your opportunity. There it is again. 73 on Wednesday, 62 on Thursday. A little cooler, but more sunshine as we head into the weekend, Connor.
And like you said, it's important to have those multiple ways to get alerts. Just in case the power goes out, you may need a phone.
Exactly, and make sure that phone is really fully charged before you go to bed tonight. And it's always important to remember that you should not rely on sirens. Sirens are not meant for people inside their homes. Sirens are meant for people that are outside.
Yes, always a good reminder. Thank you, Jordan.